Hey guys, Kitty Crew here, and today we are doing an unboxing of what I ordered. So, if you can't tell by the title, I am unboxing the Dye i4 airsoft / paintball mask. Let's get started. Let's get this knife. Open it open. I also ordered a titanium lens. So. There we go.
You stayed with us for 14 minutes.
Very fancy. Got this Dye Precision ink. Let's see. Awesome. It's just a customer information kind of thing. We got a mask bag for the dye. Let's see, what else do we got in here? We got the mask, obviously. We got a owner's manual, I'm gonna guess, and some stickers. That's sweet. Let me just snip this off really quick. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep it out. Ooh, man, this is awesome, guys. It's very light. Very, very light. It comes with a chin strap, so you just gotta unbuckle that. Or you can just take it off, from what I've read online. There's another. Okay. This is perfect, guys. This mask is sweet. It's black and white, and this is the. It's got a buckle with chin strap, and it will be pretty hard to take off. Not hard to take off, but it doesn't fog up. Yeah. So yeah, I really do recommend the Dye i4 just from wearing it. It's very comfy, and if anything breaks, you can order pieces off online. And I bought this mask at evike.com. Really recommend them. They sell a lot of good stuff. Okay. So now, take this off. And that's the unboxing. Thanks guys for tuning in. Rate, comment, subscribe.